printing and additive manufacturing. I'm going to probably need to step off to the side a bit here. When and how to work with the service bureau. How many of you people actually use or own 3D printing equipment? Okay, about half. So, how many of you are actively purchasing parts made on 3D printing equipment? Not so many. Okay, how did you guys get into using the 3D printers that you bought?
We were actually approached to help solve a problem.
Okay, approached to help solve a problem. A lot of people end up buying 3D printers, but that doesn't mean that one 3D printer is going to fill all your needs. So I'm going to try and go over some of the different systems that are out there, some of the strengths and weaknesses with them, and then the reason or the existence of a service bureau and why they're there. And hopefully that will give you an opportunity to decide for yourselves if you want to utilize the service bureau market that's out there, and if so, how to work with them to get what it is that's going to help you make your products move forward. So, and if we can compete with the grinding operation in the background, maybe we'll get some information communicated here. I do have a few pieces out here, just some different ones. This one is the nylon material from Stratasys, which is FDM. Interesting thing about this is, yes, you can actually use it. Maybe we'll get the little balls over there and we'll start launching them, over to the grinding operation. But this shows some of the design considerations and things that were put into it. If you look at, it's not totally connected, so they're using the material properties wisely. This one here from America Makes is an SLS bearing, so it kind of shows how you can build an entire assembly. There is a 3D printed metal part here, which is made with a binder. It's a system out of Northern Europe. And then there's Dinosaur Award that I was given from the AMUG, made by University of Louisville on their direct metal system. So, a couple pieces there to take a look at. Basically, Met-L-Flo is a service bureau. We've been around since '91. We've been providing services to people who didn't want to buy equipment and helping them get a taste of the different systems to learn what they can or can't do with them before they actually go to committing to a purchase, because the higher end machines, especially back in '91, were slow and very expensive, $250,000 and up. They've somehow managed to keep the price point there for a lot of the higher end systems, but they're getting some competition now. So about Met-L-Flo, we're basically a technology developer. We've tried to ask, what if we do this? What if we do that? How does that solve a customer's problem? How do we make a better product by just improving it one step at a time? We've always been quality driven, and in 2006 we embarked on ISO 9000, and in 2010, right after the holidays, January 6th, we wound up getting our certificate. Gone through and followed the Rev C upgrade. We're now ITAR registered, and a lot of this is falling in line with the fact that we put in a state-of-the-art facility, full climate control, full atmospheric and lighting and everything, so that we can control the inputs that go into our products to make sure that we're delivering a consistent output.